Hi, my name is Cameron Fraser, and this is my Tableau project for integrated management applications. First, we have the demography of the company. It is split into male and female, and we look at those male and female based on the departments, and we split those departments in each job role. So we have human resources, research and development, and sales. Then we have them all split up into each job role. And as you can see, there's just about more male than female in every single department besides sales manager. There's 19 female and 18 male. So, but predominantly male. Um, Here we have a work-life balance and performance relationship uh, based on gender, and we see how that affects each. So, as you can see, having a 1 or 4 for the work-life balance typically ends in low performance. That reflects in the male as well. So as you go to a 2, you get up there a little bit in the performance, but at a 3 is peak. So having a good work-life balance will ultimately make your performance better. Um, then we look at attrition based on managers. So you have the amount of years that an employee has been working with a manager, and the year that they quit is the attrition. So whatever year 0, this is the percentage of people that would quit, and as you can see, it's a lot higher than any other year. So then we go year 2 is the highest, second highest. So they wait a year, they test out the water at the second year, they're like, yeah, we're out of here. So year 7's the third highest, which is interesting. Year 3, this is all testing for trends. So, and then we have attrition based on number of companies worked. So as you go on, number of companies worked, the lower attrition it gets. So, and that's typical throughout each job role, as you can see. But there is a lot higher attrition at one company worked. So, and then here is my interactive dashboard where we have all of the previous slides. Thank you.